Hello, and thank you for watching. I'm Jessie Sage, and today we're going to be unboxing October's Introvert'S Retreat box. This cape is very fabulous and very Halloweenish, but it's very hot, so I have to take it off. Okay, now that my cloak is off, let's get down to business. So, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna open this part because it comes in this like protective box, so I'm just gonna do that while I'm talking. So I hope you guys are having a great October so far. I love it so much. Scorpio season just started, and I am a Scorpio. My birthday is November 3rd, and I'm so excited! I'm so freaking excited for my birthday this year and Halloween and all of it. I love it. Okay, here we go. Here is the box. So, in case you've never been to one of my Introvert'S Retreat unboxings before, I'll link some more below in the info box, but the Introvert'S Retreat is a subscription box that basically allows you to have an Introvert's night in. Luca, stop sniffing so much. It allows you to have an Introvert's night in with everything you need. And if you are an introvert like me, then sometimes you just don't want to go to any store. If you order pizza, you order it online and you do not make a phone call. So yeah, it's really awesome because it's like this pre-curated night in for you to have to yourself, and it's great. So if you want to get one, use my code Jessie. You actually get 20% off. I thought it was 10% off, but it's 20, which is really good. And I've been working with them for a while. They've been supporting my channel for a while, and you get great products. So let's do this. I'm gonna move you guys' angle really quick because I got my new tripod. Woo! Forgive the mess back there. My friend is in the middle of redoing her pottery area, and she's moving her kiln. I'm gonna do it like this so that maybe you guys can actually see me open it today. Okay, let's try it like this. If it doesn't work, I will change it. Hi, puppy. Can you guys see Luca? What's up, girl? Come here. Hello. Okay, so let's open up this puppet. Cute. So this is the Luxe box. They have a couple different versions. This has like the most stuff. Okay, so if you guys have watched this before, then you know that I always try to do the book first because it comes with a book every month. It's always on the bottom, so I always ruin everything. Okay. Ooh, cool. So this is by Rayner. It's called Another Night, Another Day, and it's a novel. 3 people, each crying out for help. There's Karen, about to lose her father, Abby, whose son has autism and needs constant care, and Michael, a family man on the verge of bankruptcy. As each sinks under the strain, they're brought together at a clinic called Moreland's Place. Here, behind closed doors, they reveal their deepest secrets, confront and console one another, and share plenty of laughs. But how will they cope when a new crisis strikes? Interesting. And it is written by a British author. Okay, first thing, the Balm Gals. Restore and relax. Luxurious body butter. This says made with love and shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, mango butter, jojoba oil, avocado, kupausu butter, never heard of it, natural fragrance oil, and it's made in Florida. That's so cool. So I wonder who the Balm Gals are. So a lot of these are made by like small business people, which is awesome. I'll put all the links for everything down in the info box below too. Okay, I'll open it. Okay, I'm just switching back to this angle because I just wasn't sure that the lighting was working over there. I'll check it out on my computer. Ooh, This is really whipped and it smells really good. Oh my gosh. It smells really like Britishly expensive. Okay, let's see. Got the bath bomb. Gardenia scented. I love gardenias. I was supposedly allergic to them when I was little because I like smelled a ton in my grandma's garden and then I had an allergic reaction, but I think maybe there was like pesticides on it or something. But you can see the little flower, that's so cute. So I don't have a bathtub, but somebody recommended that you could use these as like little foot baths if you don't have a bathtub, which is smart. I'm also gonna just send some to a friend who I know takes a lot of baths because I've been collecting them. What is this? This is really cute. It says, what's the time? What's the time? Well, it's gotta be close to midnight. Sorry, I have to sing that whenever I think of what's the time. I get songs going in my head. Cute, it's like a little change purse. And I love that it has a little kitty, because a kitty is like their mascot, kind of. This is cool. Some essentials, natural skincare. It says, I'm Lotion. That's interesting. These guys included a little card with theirs about discounts and stuff. Sometimes they do that, and I'll always put the discounts also in the info box below for you guys. So it's someessentials.com. Oh, it says if you need to learn how to use the lotion bar, click that QR code or scan that QR code. That's cool. Hopefully I don't need to learn how to use it. Maybe I do. That is so cute. Oh, it smells really good. I love lavender. Cool. Okay, well maybe I will watch their little video. It smells awesome. That is just such a cute idea. I love that. I love tins, bottles, bags. Got some 24 karat crystal collagen gold powder eye masks. She gives these like every few boxes. I get one of these, and I love to just keep them in the fridge, and whenever I'm having like a really tired day, I just put those on and they're nice and cool, and it just like peps up your face. Socks! Yoga socks. Toe Talk. They say namaste, and they have little like grippies on the bottom like baby socks do. From the yoga or Pilates studio to mindfulness practice or meditation, Toe Talk's stylish line of socks provides a personal mantra to help you focus your mind and invigorate your soul. So that would be namaste. If you guys don't know, I love doing yoga. I do a lot at home with Yoga with Adrienne, which is a great free YouTube channel that any skill level can do. Shout out. Cute. So these could be really good when doing yoga because sometimes you tend to slide. This is called Lucas Candies PMS bar, which stands for peanut butter, milk chocolate, and salted potato chips. I might have to have some. I feel like I'm looking for like the golden ticket or something. Okay, let's try this. You can kind of see like one chip in the corner. It's good. Not as chippy as I would have expected. In Hawaii, they have a lot of like Japanese department stores and stuff, and they have these chocolate dipped potato chips, and they're really adorable. Okay, we're down to the last thing, guys, and it looks good. Oh, did you see my ring? Either Sweet Dreams or Dreams linen spray. I love spraying something on my sheets to freshen them up, and sometimes you just don't really want to use like a chemically perfume because you're going to be like diving in to the bed and it's just not that gentle on your body. So some of the things Shireen, the founder, makes herself, and this looks like one of them because it has the Introvert'S Retreat brand on there. So it tells you the ingredients. Vanilla bean water, that's cool. Water, lavender essential oil, peppermint essential oil, phenoxethanol, and caprylyl glycol and sorbic acid. I don't know what those last three things are, but I could look them up. Ooh, that's really nice. Look out, puppy. Ooh, it's really nice. It's really refreshing. It's a great way to just freshen up your bed and your sheets in between washes, especially because like my comforter, my quilt, I don't wash every time with my sheets because that can make it kind of get, oh, I tasted some. Yeah, that can make it kind of get messed up too early, and comforters cost a lot of money. So yeah, so that's what I like to do. All right, guys, that was it. This was, I have to say, was not a very fall / Halloween-ish box, but I guess that's not what it is supposed to be, but I just thought maybe it would like go with the seasons a little bit, because sometimes it does. But all in all, I'm still really happy with everything in here, and I'm excited to do it. So I hope that you guys like this video and that you will subscribe. Guess what, guys? We just recently passed 11,000 subscribers. I cannot believe that. That is so cool. Like 10,000 took forever, and it was like a huge landmark for me in my mind, but once we passed 10,000, more of you guys have just been finding me, and it's just been so great, and I'm just so happy to have made it from one milestone, 10,000, all the way to 11,000 already. So thank you so much. You know, not that that is what's important, but it is important in a way to have people watching you so that you can do more stuff and so that it's worthwhile to actually make stuff. So thanks to you guys so much for being here. You can always follow me on Instagram. I'm at Sage Jessie, and Luca, she's at Luca Sage. She's pretty stinking cute. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I've got some really cool videos coming up for Halloween and fall and winter, so I'm super stoked, and I hope you guys are too. And yeah, I just want to say thank you guys so much for following me for so long, for being so patient. I know I've had so many plans and so many technical difficulties, but I've just kept plugging away at it, as they say, and just try to keep going, and everything slowly but surely becomes slightly more organized, and you get more opportunities and you can do more. So I'm really, really excited, and I'm rambling, and I love you. Talk to you soon. Bye. I wear this once to be the Phantom of the Opera. My uncle made it. It's gorgeous. Let me show you before I untie it. It's so long because it was designed for him, and he's really tall. Oh, look at that swish. In case anyone wants to know the best part of the film, Phantom of the Opera, it's when he takes Christine to his lair, takes off his cloak like that after getting off a horse. And the cloak, oh, it just flows. Oh no, where'd my ring go? The cloak just flows